got a ride, but you can't ride in it? How you got the drive, but you ain't driving it? Tune in, I can get you right in 5 minutes. Hit subscribe for these rides, I put my life in it. I used to keep it going if the outside was clean. Now I'm grown and I put away the childish things. You gon' have to do a lot more than wipe it clean. I could give you all the tools you gon' likely need. So tune in, tune up, lock in. It's D Brooks, dawg. I'ma give you real life game by the book, dawg. Tune in, tune up, lock in. It's D Brooks, dawg. I'ma give you real life game by the book, dawg.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy D Brooks coming with another video. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about fuel pressure regulators, specifically the ones on eBay, Amazon, and just the ones that are really cheap. So I've been having some issues with my LS Swap G-body and my fuel pressure, and trying to figure out why every time I prime it, it gets to 60 and then it drops, or it doesn't drop, it peaks to like 100 when I start the car, and then I actually removed my return line and put it in a fuel tank, like a gas can, and there was hardly any gas coming out. It was like trying to ruin my fuel pumps. It was building up so much pressure, but I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. All right, so I've got two really inexpensive fuel pressure regulators right here. And this one I had on my car for a while, and I think it had eventually went bad. But anyhow, you can see how it has a beveled insert here for this ball, right? Well, this one was not regulating at all, and you see this ball won't even fit in that hole. So it's like it won't even cinch down. It's not sitting in there properly. It's bad machine work, okay? Also, this hole on the bottom of this one, it's a little bit bigger than this one. This one's way smaller. This one's way smaller, so it wasn't doing a good job of regulating fuel at all. It actually didn't regulate it at all. Yeah, so watch out for these. The quality control isn't that great, so you gotta be careful with that. This diaphragm right here came with the black regulator. My regulator that was on this one had went bad. So I went ahead and just bought a whole new regulator, and when I hooked it up, it did not work. Now I'm seeing why it did not work. So I'm putting the diaphragm off the black regulator into my old regulator because the machine quality on the black one is not good. So hopefully you guys were able to follow that. I know I said regulator probably like 50 times. If you guys like this content, make sure you hit the like button, comment below, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to join my Discord. We have plenty of information on there. The community is growing, and we're all very helpful.